So we get asked a lot of questions here at LEA Professional, and one of the things that comes up a lot is about naming. So the questions we get are, can I name the amplifier and can I name the amp channels? And the answer is yes, you can name both of those. So what I'm going to do here is show you in our web UI how you can change those names. So I've got this up on the screen here, and I'm going to go down to one of the amps that I've got on my desk, which is this one here. And you can see the default name for the amplifier is just device name. So let's change that first. So in order to do that, we click on the amp info button here, and we go into amp settings. Now the very first one here, device name, is for the name of the amplifier. So we can change this to Bradley's amp, hit enter, and now we can see that the name of that has changed here in the web UI, and it will also change on the front screen of the amplifier. So now on to the amp channels. So if we click on the amp here and get into the DSP section, the second block over is for the general settings for each channel. So if we click on this, it looks like a little gear. The very first option here is for the channel name. So now I can select this, type in whatever I want. Let's call it speakers upstairs, whatever you want to call it. You type it in, you hit enter, and that will show up on the top of the screen here. So you can do that for each channel. Every amplifier is exactly the same way. Now you can put in some very helpful naming information for both the amplifier itself and for each channel. So there you go, have at it. Name everything you want and let us know what you think.